ye kwa ko bre na aware na be ma ko twi fra na o se onu no ye champion dia ene memma nyina be wo muti se te kasi e dia agro na ya waro ni ami be o na dia so na ye no ye ma na o ma aware aso mo kasa bre ni memma o ba o di memma bre atira si aware enu ade na ye no because ya nya ade we ya na president Mahama she e kasa asem we dia e memma ni nyina tinko the be kwasi mu nyina na be ka chiro I don't care Papa she beba Papa she beba oh yeah Papa she beba
Okay, guys, I say it's our live at Kpaii International Airport. Now, right behind me, we are sure that it's a sound if you don't record. It is for nobody than the first wife of Daddy Lumba, Akosua Serwah, in a trader Ghana Fini Inano. Where to whom, where the Kpaii International Airport. What about my mama, Akosua Serwah Akwaba? Now, I'm around. And so I'm definitely going to give you the gist. Zoro recording in our Amazbamo right here. It's stay tuned. My flip. Yaruba. champion dia ene memma nyina be wo muti se te kasi e dia agro na ya waro ni ami be o na dia so na ye no ye ma na o ma ware aso mo kasa bre ni memma o ba o di memma bre atira si aware enu ade na ye no because ya nya ade we ya na president Mahama she e kasa asem we dia e memma ni nyina tinko ya be kwasi mu nyina na be ka chiro I don't care one. Official pa. Na one and the hour. Yo.
Serwah.
Yo. Intawe fi hina bay. Hey, if you no ma buton. Hey, abunu ma. Hey. And I will support to anti Serwah. No, something we hear papa. Now one can say you know, like I said, we have time about what's in you.
So, feelings right now, if I do listen, I need to know maybe I said, where you maybe you might see, you might yet.
It's a sister about another pram to Serwah.
I property.
I property. Now, property now will be a baby.
Baby, I'll block when you want your home.
Baby, or double in one German. Watching them more, the main one. It's a sister about Kwana was about Fadoman and Saka.
Court.
One from court. In a month, no more battery. Ah.
I don't know, didn't mammy neighbor to your first year of your one to two. Never be on sea removal on troubles for no one got to a mufu.
Obi a catch on the way was in dubious yes if you are. Obi a catch on the was in dubious yes if you
want to meet now.
On 2 months now,
someone who say one more queen.
Lumba no sama is in the Wakuna.
Some of the castle near 1 more year, and I know 1 more Kunafi Nebuchia for
none of the best. I'm not careful when I do.
Of Father Casado no be far of you.
Hey, on Samuel.
I somebody as she shall a baby baba.
Yatsi, Yakin, but I say, any catching for it's enough Fatima for you. So what brought you here?
I'm also come to support Madam Akosua Serwah.
Oh, okay. So you are part of the team Legal Wife?
Yes, we move.
What are your reasons? Why are you supporting them?
Relationship is about choices. I am not condemning Odoboni for dating that woman. But the reason is he didn't get married to her. There was no like marriage certificates, there was no proof, because I wonder why marriage that we don't have a picture for it. There's no ceremony that we have that we don't have any picture for that ceremony. So it's bubbled my head that how can you marry without a family member, without nothing, even no friend even attend a marriage ceremony. So I support Mami Akosua Serwah because she's a legal wife. I'm a single lady, but I'm supporting her for her.
You as a person, what is your key interest in this issue?
I've learned a lot from it.
No, what is your key interest? Interest to be in the room.
Like the difference between Odoboni and Akosua Serwah, right?
No, this whole issue about legal wife and Odoboni.
I don't have any personal interest about that, but I have learned a lot from it. I don't have personal interest because basically I'm supporting Akosua Odoboni, but I have learned a lot about it during marriages and other ceremonies. So I have learned a lot in our traditionals. I have learned about the ordinance marriage. I have learned a lot from it.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?